What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Yeah, we got a little bit of an issue going on. I haven't driven the M4 in almost a week and I accidentally left the light on, so the car is completely dead. We got the S4 hooked up, we're gonna jump start them. Then we got this car going to INW Performance for a nice little touch up before I sell it. And also, we got some parts that we're gonna put on the yellow M4 and we're gonna swap heat exchangers. So today's gonna be a good day and then we're gonna finish it off with a nice boba meat. So let's get started with jumping this thing. Now hopefully we don't blow ourselves up in the process. Okay. Woo! I'm awake now. Okay, I think we're fine. Let's see if it starts. It wants to start. Let's just give it a sec. Okay, everybody, watch this. I am locking this door. Boom, right there. That's how much faith I have that this car is going to start. We've given it a couple minutes. Okay, moment of truth. Please. No! Well, that sucks. But you know the beauty of having two M4s? You get two of everything. I don't know, maybe also my jumper cables suck. There could be a lot of things wrong with this because I have never had this happen before, so I've never really had to jump one of my cars. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go to INW Performance, grab the battery from the yellow car, put it into this car, and hopefully that lets the car turn over.
Few moments later.
Okay, well, I think we did it. So we got the old battery plugged back in. See how it's a little dirty and that one's clean? That one's the bad one. That one's the good one, we think. Oh baby, let's go! Woo! Dave, you are really in a really susceptible position right now.
Jake, I'll fucking kiss you.
Oh, okay. All right, next plan is we're gonna take off this front bumper and then we're gonna get the heat exchanger off this car. Then at some point they'll do the oil change on the gray car and we'll swap heat exchangers on that car. And hopefully everything goes smoother than when I did the coilover install. Now aside from swapping heat exchangers on the M4s today, I'm going to be doing up the bumper just a little bit more. We got IND reflector deletes that are paint matched to the car, and hopefully they're the same or really, really close, or else it's gonna look weird. And then we also got those carbon fangs that I showed you earlier, and we're just gonna touch up the bumper with some touch-up paint too. That way it hides all those scuffs. Well, I got some good news and I got some bad news. Good news, the paint match on this is actually not too bad. Like, on camera it looks a lot worse, but in person, it actually is not terrible. We all know this bumper has been resprayed because this is a new bumper because of the car is a rebuilt car and you had to replace the bumper. And well, whoever painted this thing sucked because that ripped off super easy. All I did was take off this protective film that we had on the car because we were working on it, and it ripped off a good little chunk right here. So now I gotta figure out a way to either blend it and have Cody, like, I don't even know, buff it out or whatever and make it not look as bad, but that is another project for another day and one more hurdle with this car. All right, so moving on from this bad news, let's get some good news going. Let's see how these carbon lower canards cover up this rash and this crack. We got the front lip off. So without the front lip in the way, this is what it's gonna kind of look like. See that crack on the top? Hides that pretty good. Now we're gonna get some touch-up paint and we're gonna fill in this entire crack, that way at least it's the same color. That way you can't notice it on video or pictures or anything like that. But that actually will look super sick. So we just gotta prep this whole surface, paint this back, and then double-sided tape this and throw it on. Sheesh! That looks really good. All right, one side down, one to go. Well, there we go. We got the heat exchanger swapped halfway. I knew I wasn't gonna get everything done. The heat exchanger for the yellow car is over there. The CSF one, we got the Dyna one hooked up right now. Oil change, and we're gonna tackle the O2 sensors a different day. We didn't have enough time today to do it, but it's not that big of an issue. We got the exhaust tip put on, so now the car looks pretty spicy. It's not lopsided, it's just one. And then down here, finally painted everything, got everything done, and that's what it's looking like. Pretty nice. And it covers up that crack pretty good, especially since we painted that inside right there. And it's gonna push up a little bit when we put on the front lip again, because these bolts are gonna just push everything up and level, but this is really annoying. And apparently the guy that I bought it from is a painter, and he probably just didn't paint it enough or correctly, because as you can see, like, this isn't even primed. Like, that's just like what it looks like when you buy it online. So that sucks. We gotta hurry because we got a car meet that I put on myself and I don't want to be late to it. So it says we can measure the oil. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Engine is okay. Well, there we go. I have a drivetrain malfunction because it's reading that I was low on coolant and I just topped it off. So we gotta like prime the system again and get all the air bubbles out, and I'm gonna do that when I get home. But like I said, we're running late. But she is almost done. Woo! And then we just gotta sell this car and the Audi, and then we are going car shopping, boys. I am hyped. Everything this summer is gonna be so much fun, guys. When the yellow M4 comes back and we start tuning it and we get the paint perfect, everything perfect on it, probably get a new front bumper like by the end of the summer, or probably just beginning of next summer, since the winter is probably gonna destroy it. It's gonna be great. And just like that, baby, we are in the S4 going to the meet, and we are gonna make it. We have 10 minutes, and we are like 5 minutes away by the way I drive.
Flip him off.
Meow. Oh my gosh! Jeez.
I don't want him to die.
That's so cool. That thing is so loud. So we got a sick lineup so far. We got an S4, 370 or 350, my S4. I got Julie over there and then a bunch of other cars down here. You hate boba, but I like it, so let's go.
That's good
You're
now.
so red.
Yeah, I've been working out in the sun.
Oh no, that's what it said, but that's good now.
I don't work out in the sun.
I do, I paint.
I have soft hands, apparently, according to the internet.
I got soft hands too. That don't mean nothing.
Ooh, they feel nice. So we got Gabe's A4 sitting pretty. Come on, Gabe. You gotta get. Where's your other cars at? Where's your Lexus?
In the shop.
Your drift build you've been talking about for ages.
Hey, if you want proof, go to my YouTube channel.
Do you have one? Have you made a video yet?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll link it in the description.
I haven't made one
Okay,
yet.
then-
I've made one, I haven't posted it.
Okay.
I have proof.
Post it, and then I'll link this. Like 10 years from now, when you finally post it, I'll link it in the video.
I gotta get better at editing. I'm not gonna post content.
I'll show you. I'll teach you.
Sure.
Then we got all these cars. We got more cars pulling up. That's it. M3. There we go. My people. I have the M shirt, but I brought the Audi.
Remember when you said, I don't like the sedans because they're 4 doors and boxy?
But it's still the same engine as my car, so I respect it.
Oh, okay.
We got WRX.
Whatever that is.
Damn. That's like the whatever that one livery is on the Golfs.
Oh.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Yeah. It's like he tried to. Not a bad meet for a 12-hour notice.
Something like that.
Pretty good. We're just gonna hang out for a little bit longer and then cruise home. Are you gonna shoot some flames tonight?
Yeah.
Out the A4?
Dude, I live like 5 minutes that way.
Jeez, can you shoot flames right now?
Possibly.
Do you need me to hold a lighter at the tip?
You can.
Is that how it's gonna light?
That's not how it's gonna light.
Cut it, yeah.
Let me get 2-step.
You need 2-step and then we can do that.
I'll get 2-step.
That wake you up a little bit? She was taking a nap while we were at the car meet. Just chilling. We are both very hungry. We still haven't eaten yet. And I think tonight we're gonna watch the first Fast and Furious movie. Since we watched the 10th one, now we gotta watch the first one and start all over. That way you can catch up. But anyways, guys, this is gonna be the end of today's video. The meats actually turned out really good, and I actually talked to the owner, and we're gonna start doing boba meats. So a lot more car meets coming to the vlogs, and they're gonna be pretty nice meets too, because the cars that we're trying to bring out there are gonna be super clean, and all the friends are gonna pull up. It's gonna be a good time. So towards the end of vlogs, we're gonna have some car meets, but we're gonna figure out the paints. It's kind of annoying that the guy that had the car before tried painting that thing himself. At least that's what we think, or he took it somewhere that didn't do a good job either. We're gonna get it all sorted out. I do have a lot of paint of that certain color that we might be able to use. So we're gonna try and tackle that this weekend. Hopefully we can fix it. If we don't, it's whatever, and we'll probably just get a new bumper in a couple months. But anyways, guys, if you enjoy this video, please give it a like. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell. And we'll see you next time. Drive safe. Did you already put the engine in?
Yeah, engine's in.
Engine's in.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's rod knock.